Week 13, Module 10, STCC Translate. Go ahead and open the document. And the first thing you'll do, make sure Control Home, you should be at the top. Choose Review, Translate, Translate Document, and you can, it's in English, so the from is, it may say auto, so you can change it to English. And then Translate to, you can select any language you'd like. And there's quite a variety to choose from. And then choose Translate. So this is it, it's done. It's not 100% accurate, but pretty much the message would be understood. So go ahead and save this and submit. And just to let you know that the English version is behind it, so you actually have two versions, your English and your new language one. So I only need the submission of your translated. I don't need the submission of the English one. And that's it. Thank you.